Hey, and welcome back. Today we are going to be testing out some more lashes. These again are Edmonton speciality. These are from my hometown. These are the Creme de la Creme bottom lashes. I've never tried a pair of bottom lashes on this channel before. I've maybe worn bottom lashes like twice in my entire life. These are the Faux Naturale bottom lashes in Unfauxseen. As you can see, they look very delicate, very beautiful, kind of spaced out naturally. And it's a gorgeous, like, embossed box. These lashes retail for $8. They're vegan, cruelty-free because they're synthetic. The directions just say to apply your eyeliner and mascara to your natural lashes. And honestly, I'm at the end of a work day, so this is like old makeup. We're talking like 8-hour plus makeup. So we're gonna pretend like I'm going out tonight. So eyeliner and mascara done. Next, we're gonna measure our lashes and trim off any excess. Apply a thin strip of lash adhesive, and then use tweezers to get it just right. Did I say these are only $8 Canadian? Great price if you want to support local, not too expensive. And of course, I've tried on a pair of top lashes if you want to check out their regular synthetic lashes. I'll have that video linked up here. But these were the Untamed lashes. And I kind of bought a similar wispy style. So maybe if this goes well, we can throw on the top ones once more. Let me open up this package. There we go. So the lashes are just attached to a thin clear band. To put them on, I'm just going to use my dual lash adhesive. It's getting a little chonky here. This is their strip lash adhesive from Kiss. Give that a minute to dry down. Got some glue on my finger over here. Alright. I'm just going to shove it underneath my natural lashes as close to the lash line as possible. Oh, and I forgot to trim them, damn it. Alright, this is going horribly. I'm placing them way too low. Maybe I need a different mirror here. Ugh. Let me trim them and we'll do a take 2 here. Sometimes if you have a hard time placing your lashes, it might just because they're a little too long. So I just cringe when I do this, but I'm going to cut off this last little bit of lash just so it's going to be a better fit. Might as well do it to both lashes. It kind of looks like whatever glue they previously had on here is a little bit discolored. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. It looks a little brown or like red or something. I've never seen that before. Hopefully that's not a problem. Alright, let's do this one more time. And yeah, trimming them made a huge difference for getting them on. Once they're on and in place, I'm just going to kind of press them against my natural lashes. Alright, whoa, I think my eyes look way bigger like this. That is crazy. And of course the glue is just going to take a few minutes to dry down, but dang, I look like I have doll lashes. Let's get the other lash on. I honestly thought you would have to put on top lashes to balance out these bottom lashes, but to be honest, the bottom lashes with this mascara that I'm wearing and my natural lashes, they seem to be a really nice match. This sounds weird, but alright, this side I used a lot less glue, and I think it's giving a better effect. But here, let's do a close-up. What do we think? I feel like we could probably blend them a little bit better with my natural lashes on the bottom. But I don't know if you didn't know that I just put these on, would you know that I was wearing bottom lashes? Let's pop over to Natural Light and just take a look. I'm gonna let this eye have a few more minutes to dry down. And then, yeah, we'll pop over to Natural Light and take a look at what they look like. Be right back. Alright, and there we have a look at these bottom lashes. Are they completely natural looking? No, but they are much more subtle than I expected. I actually think they are more comfortable to wear than I imagined. Even if I make weird faces, can't really feel them. And yeah, I thought they would be a lot faker looking, and I'm impressed with how giant my eyes look compared to the before. So we might as well finish it up and throw on some top lashes just to get I guess a more everyday representation of how these lashes would look. So I really don't think you would wear them just on their own. I'm going to throw on the top lashes that I have from this brand, which are again the Au Naturale Synthetics in Untamed. Alright, and there is top and bottom versus just bottoms alone. Let me throw on this last lash. And there's the other eye. Again, let me give these a few minutes and then I guess we'll head over to Naturale again and take another look. Normally I think if I was wearing lashes I would be wearing a lot heavier of an eyeliner, and with bottom lashes maybe I don't really do a lot on my bottom lash line, but maybe zhuzh it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna kind of work some magic on that bottom lash line just to make it look a little bit more blended in. Which is gonna consist of me basically just making some dots on my bottom lash line. Now that the top lashes are on, I feel like I'm blinking funny. I think that makes a huge difference. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope if you've never tried on bottom lashes, you give it a go. It's a lot of fun. It's a must at Halloween, even if you don't do it any other time of the year. But if you have small eyes like me, I also do think it can make a huge difference to how large your eyes look. If you haven't checked out Creme de la Creme or Maison Creme de la Creme, make sure you check them out, especially if you are Albertan like me, or Canadian for that matter. It's always great to support your local businesses. So that is it for me today, trying out these Unfauxseen Faux Natural Lashes. Yes, I would recommend them, especially this style, if you're looking for a budget, small business friendly pair of lashes to experiment with and play around with. It certainly is a lot of fun, if nothing else. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more beauty videos from me. I put out new beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you would like to help support my channel, you can check out my Patreon. Otherwise, just share this video with anybody else who might find it helpful, with a friend, with your sister, I don't know, with a mister. And aside from that, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye!